yemba kanjalo. That's it. Okay, ama keys ahamba kanjalo ke bafethu. Okay, this one is C sharp, C sharp, D sharp, yabo. Okay, njengoba kubani lo u D flat, mothani wathi moya ka left up ka left, D flat, D flat, D flat, yes, D sharp, D flat, D sharp, D sharp, D flat, C sharp. Okay, C flat awukho cause khona bala khona B, kanjalo na like E, ngithi C u D E awukho E sharp awukho khona E flat kuphela, E flat because alikho elimnyama go forward, just that it goes straight to F sharp, F flat awukho now. Also, see, that's it. Goes a band down, F, G flat, G sharp. See, that's it. There's a corner A flat, A sharp. That's it. Yeah, he's a learn to lay. Best about B now. B flat, B. Aoko B sharp for Taoko. That's it, guys. That's how it goes. Yeah, that's how it goes. Okay, moving on with tutorial. Okay, okay, bengisafundisa ngama notes. Okay, ama keys. Sorry. Okay, sengifundisile ama keys. Okay, ama keys awu 12. But angifuni ugxile ekutheni ukwazi information ama keys ukuthi okay lona ubani. When you are learning it, then that is not important. That is not like important too much. See, that is not. Don't just put yourself like study. That's hard. Don't get little information. No. Definitely uyazi wena ukuthi okay, there are 12 keys, mina ngidlala ngamuphi key, yona into ebalekile, yona information oyidingayo le. Okay, because you are learning it, and lo kunye kudala ku piano mangabuzoba like a real musician dealing with piano and moving on. See, that's it. Okay, because you are focusing on tende, it's just information, just basic. Okay. I'm sure abanye sebe disinterested about this video watching right now. Yeah, boy. Okay, let's move on right now. Okay, 12 keys. Okay. We need to have my keys, we need to have my chords, we need to have my notes. Okay, my keys lawa, my keys of which is my patterns. Keys are 12. Okay, basically we are connected to my chords. My chords are made up of keys like C sharp, F, A flat, C sharp, F, A flat. See, a chord there. It's a chord made up of 3 keys. It's a chord made up of 3 keys. Chords are made up of keys. Basically, my notes. Notes are made up of chords. It's a set of chords. Chord is a set of keys. Do you understand me? Connected to my minor chords, my major chords, many type of chords. About God, those are made up of keys. About it metro bambi chord. It's either bambi 4 or 5 or 3 or 2, but it's a set. It's a combination of 2 keys or 3 keys or 4 keys. You see. That's it. That's a chord. Bese uba connect to ilo ama notes. Ama notes, it's a set of chords. Like 1. Ama notes ka C sharp lawo. ama-notes ka-C sharp. Okay, that's it guys.